fantastic achievements over the past few months. And ये महीना of course जो गया है अक्टूबर का वो भी बहुत खास रहा है because हम एक बहुत ही खास recognition करने वाले हैं. And जिस person के बारे में मैं आपके साथ में शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि उन्होंने क्या अचीव किया है, वो शेयर करने से पहले एक ही बात कहूँगी. एक बहुत फेमस सेइंग है कि एटीट्यूड डिफाइंस योर एल्टीट्यूड, कि आपका एटीट्यूड क्या है वही डिसाइड करता है कि आप आगे कितना दूर तक जाएंगे. एंड ये इंसान, ये शख्सियत कुछ इसी बात को बहुत अच्छे से इंडोर्स करती हैं. शी हैज़ अ फैंटास्टिक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इन ऑल गिवन सिचुएशंस. She is always trying to strive as to how can she empower more lives. Background अगर हम जाने उनका, तो पहले Oriflame में ज्वाइन करने से पहले एक HR प्रोफेशनल रह चुकी हैं. She loves to bake and for sure उनकी क्रिएटिविटी उनके बेकरी से दिखाई देती है. But for sure यही क्रिएटिविटी उन्होंने Oriflame बिजनेस के साथ में कंबाइन करी है. उनका पैशन to make sure she is empowering many lives. And here she is, and here we are to recognize the highest title of the month of October. So are we ready, Naveen?
Yes, indeed we are.
Yes, so big congratulations from the Oriflame family for our new Senior Diamond Director, Priyanka Bhatia. What a fabulous achievement. She has done a brilliant job. एक ऐसी इंसान जो खुद ही अपने टाइटल्स को नहीं मूव करे बट इंश्योर कर रही हैं कि उनकी टीम में, उनके नेटवर्क में अपनी और अपनी फैमिलीज की लाइव्स हर वक्त बदल रही हैं. सो आइए सुनते हैं हम प्रियंका का क्या कहना है इस फैंटास्टिक अचीवमेंट में. आइए जानते हैं कि उन्हें क्या इंस्पायर करता है. व्हाट्स द स्टोरी behind Priyanka Bhatia?
I am Priyanka and I am a Senior Diamond Director with Oriflame. I come from a close-knit family wherein my family taught me the values of financial independence and education. I am MBA in HR and I was working as a IT head when I decided to get married. I left my well-paid job because I wanted to spend more time with my husband. My journey with Oriflame started in January 2016 when I met my upline Chaitali Mishra, who informed me about the beauty of this business and how one can have a super successful career working from home. I started working digitally for Oriflame and I was also amongst one of the first digital leader Oriflame India has. In last 4.5 years, I have increased my income from 2,000 rupees in January 2016 to 6 lakh rupees last month. Not only this, I have also taken away the cash awards of 12,75,000. Plus, I am also entitled for a free car and a free home from the company. I have traveled to 4 international destinations in last 4 years with the company. Not only me, but then my entire network of rising queens of 1 lakh plus women present pan-India are now fulfilling their small and big dreams with Oriflame. Be it a dream of buying their own house, buying their own car, sending their children to the best of the universities and schools, or traveling the world with us, we are fulfilling all our dreams. Success that you see today is because of the hard work and discipline of each leader of mine for more than 15 hours a day, and because of which 9 out of 15 fastest growing leaders this year comes from Rising Queens. So in case you have a dream which you wish to fulfill or you want to be super successful like us, join Oriflame today. Oriflame is a platform which can fulfill all your dreams. Before signing off, I would just like to say, don't be a queen waiting for your king. Rather be a queen busy in your own kingdom.
Very big congratulations, Priyanka. We are so proud of you. और यही नहीं, I think it is not achievement only for Priyanka, but for all the inspiration you provide to your network and women around. So big congratulations and thank you very much.
Yes, absolutely, Naveen, sahi kaha. And as a Senior Diamond Director, she definitely also gets a cash award of 4 lakh rupees. Apart from all the money that she gets in her PD. So huge congratulations to you, Priyanka.